You must have seen a mat before and even made use of one to sit or sleep. But do you know how mat is made? Mat is a product that is made locally. It does not require heavy industrial processes. In Nigeria, for instance, mat making is one of the occupations among various ethnic groups who make use of materials available to them in their locality. They make use of raw materials like raffia, bamboo, palm fronds, grass, and straw, which are very easy to get within the environment. Since mat making is a local manufacturing process, it cannot fit into the main classification of industries. So what can we call the process of mat making? This process of mat production, making use of locally sourced materials and local crafts or cottage industries, are the types of industry that depend mainly on raw materials obtained from their immediate locality. These industries make use of simple tools and their products are of high artistic quality. Trust you had fun learning in this lesson. See you in the next class. Bye.